Hello everyone, my name is Rutuk Patel and I am working on the assessment 3 for IoT. So there are multiple case study I have seen from the different articles. So I picked up for this one, IoT based environmental monitoring to support the campus planning and decision at the CQ. So based on this case study, I'll use a multiple sensor and for the Melbourne gateway as well as the Brisbane campus. So I take the Brisbane air quality sensor as well as the Melbourne air quality sensor. So I using the node rate InfluxDB for the data storing, and all the data shown by the Grafana by the graph base and the influx query. So first of all, I using the node rate. I take the two air quality sensor and the Brisbane air quality sensor and the Melbourne air quality sensor, and put the all the credential based on the Melbourne air quality sensor and put the ID and password and server and the port number. Same as for the Brisbane air quality sensors. So these two air quality sensors already connected very well, and I put the debug and the function node for the debugs. I checking the data I got or not. For the function to optimize our data. So for the we get a pro optimum data from the all over the objects. So I put the function for the Brisbane. So I put the this kind of object filtration for the data based on the JavaScript, as well as the function one same as that kind of data. And I also connected the InfluxDB. So I also put my InfluxDB IoT, the organization name, bucket name, and the different kind of breeze and measurement. Like for the Brisbane, I put the breeze humidity and put the all the URL and the token number. For for the Melbourne, I choose the humidity as a measurement. So this all are already connected very well. So I got the proper data, optimized data, like this for the Melbourne AQ. So I got a application name, device name, humidity, air pressure, and air index. And this is for the Melbourne, Brisbane. So I got the same data from the Brisbane, and this the node rate connection, and this node rate also InfluxDB connected at here. So I'll show you. Like this is my InfluxDB account. So I go to buckets. So the test bucket is already created in our week tutorials. So I using that one defaultly, and there are the to my test bucket and the breeze humidity and humidity which I already put in the measurement in the node rate. So I got this kind of data for the breeze humidity which I selected for the further process. Same as for the humidity which is based on the Melbourne air quality sensor. This is the same data like breeze humidity, and I can select this kind of data whatever I want and just run. This is the I got it the run. So this is the data storage from the my node RAID or air quality sensor data, and I store in the this bucket from the InfluxDB. So if I talk about if I show you the my account, this all the data show storage in the InfluxDB, and I connected the I firstly I create the data sources like assessment 3 which is useful for the my case study. So I created the data sources and just go and create a new dashboard for my the assessment 3, and this graph is created from the all the data which is stored in InfluxDB, which is connected from the InfluxDB and Grafana. So this is the Melbourne AQ and the Brisbane air quality sensor data, which is air pressure, which is indicate the air pressure, humidity, and the temperature. And same as for the Brisbane air index, air pressure, humidity, and the temperature. This is the single data for the Melbourne temperature and the Melbourne air pressure, same as for the Brisbane. So if I go in the Melbourne air quality sensor, so I show you how it is work. So I just put the all the influx query they like here. So I got this kind of data, like this kind of graph. It is graphical representation as well as the tabular representation based on the time. And the one of the best thing for which is very difficult for me to searching the how to put the alert system and here. So I used a lot of video referencing from the YouTube, and I put the alert system like you can see like alerting like this one is the alert system, the broken heart. And I this is also indicated here alert system. This all are working, firing is already firing. So I go to edit. So I'll show you how it is work alert system. So firstly, I go to alert rules and create the alert rules like for the Marble air quality sensors. So I put the just name and this is the query which I got from the Google. So I use the Google and create this query. This is the range from the starting minus 10 minutes. And this is the alerting this kind of data I take the air pressure, humidity, and the temperature from the humidity measurement for the Marble air quality sensor. And I apply the alert system based on this one. Like if the temperature is below 21 and the humidity is above 50 and the air pressure is above 1025. This is the random assuming data. So I can get a normally quick notification like alert notification from my ba- email ID. So this is the assuming the data. This is not a proper how it's working. Like if the temperature is a good 25 is good, but this is I was taken 21. So see so it is useful for me to getting a quick reply from the alert system. As well as I put the this is the normal one. So I alert air quality monitoring like if I get the mail, so it's showing is storage in the air quality monitoring folder. So I just create a folder and put the label like Melbourne campus air quality and just like show you this is campus and this is the what I value put. Like I take the Melbourne equation and the environment. This is the normal one and set the value behavior. The alert system pending period like if 1 minute is a key firing for the 0 second or none. So I just take the none and the configuration notification. So there are one main things to the if you go to a create a contact points. So just create a contact points. Yeah. So here is a multiple option available for the which software you have to go for the alert system. I was take a email, and there is also multiple AWS, Cisco, Discord, Google Chat, Jira, MQTT, Slack, Telegram. There are multiple options, but I just take the email and my email ID and create a contact. So if I go to back, so this is I put the my editing. This is my normal email ID which I got alerting, and I will be going for the multiple alerting from the Brisbane as well as the multi Melbourne campus. So this is the contact information for the alert system. There are alert rules like this is the firing. This is the normal one. And the configuration which is mentioned in my email ID, like what kind of summary I have to put and what kind of description I have to put. This is the normal one. I take it the normal one for the just checking the alert system is working or not, and just put the word dashboard, which dashboard indicated the alert system like. This is already show. I have already show in the dashboard. Like this one is alerting for the Melbourne AQ. Same as for the Brisbane. This is the okay data, like a good data I got. And the also, if I go to edit, so you can see this red line, which is indicate the alerting firing. In that, this is the indicate the firing. And if I talk about, I got a mail from the Grafana, multiple mail from the firing, like a Melbourne air quality sensor. Recently, I got a data sourcing monitoring, like a one firing I got. This one, this kind of message, I alert email I got from the Melbourne. This is for the Brisbane air quality, like this data value change, and I got a alert firing, this kind of alert system. If I need to put the all the different kind of summary as well as the description, which is very useful for me, just taking assuming the normal one. So just checking the my email alert is working or not. So if I'll show you, yeah, this is the all the alert system and how Grafana is working. Same for the all graphs. I put the alert system in Melbourne AQ as well as the Melbourne Brisbane AQ. This is the same process for this is the same process for me. Like put the query and applied the different alert rules. I'll show you, which is working. This the Brisbane air quality is normal, that's why it's showing green, and in the graph is a green heart. And I'll show you a active notification which is already active. That's why I got a mail like here. This one. This is the active. Okay, this is the, all the process which is very useful for the creating the good dashboard for the based on my case studies. So which is very useful for the planning and making a good monitoring system for the campus, because the air quality sensor is very good, very good for the monitoring the all the data regarding the air quality in the campus. So we can, if the temperature will be changed and the air pressure and humidity will be changed, so we can taking the good action based on the our camp for the our campus. So this is the all the my represent based on the my case study. And I use the Node-RED, InfluxDB and Grafana very well. I got a very if I talk about the I searching lot of for the active notification for the alert notification, and I got a good result at here, which is very useful for me as well as the case study. So this is my representation. Thank you, which is very useful for based on my case study. Uh, I think I got a new notification. Yeah, on Scott. No, no, no. Thank you so much for the taking my time and the represent. As well as I put the all the screenshot, the all the information based on my data and credential and the case study and the how to implementation, the all the screenshot and the credential put in the my report. So which is good for referencing. So I put the all the alerting and the Grafana all the images at here. Thank you so much to everyone to take my time.